And good afternoon, I'm Kid O'Shea live in Cheverly, where for the past 6 months, a Cheverly woman has been putting on a food drive for fellow residents. She's about to get a surprise from ABC 7's Helping Hands, and it's a big check. You'll see how much for coming up next live on ABC 7 News.
Today, ABC 7 and Eastern's Automotive Group are bringing you a special Helping Hands surprise in Prince George's County.
Yep, we love surprises, especially when people are so deserving. And ABC 7's Kid O'Shea joins us live in Cheverly with a big surprise for the head of the Cheverly Emergency Response Team. Hi, Kid. This is so exciting.
Allison, it is, and she has absolutely no idea that we are here right now, and she's about to be on live TV and get a big surprise, that check from Eastern's Automotive Group, and we'll tell you more about that in a second, but first I want to bring in the mayor of Cheverly. This is Layla. Tell us a little bit why you nominated Marverly.
Because she really epitomizes what our community stands for. We say this is what community does for each other. So identifying a need, stepping up to make it good, gathering a team, letting that team be part of every part of the solution. That's what leadership is. Marverly shows that.
There's a food drive going on right now behind us, and it's been going on for the past 6 months, bi-weekly. When she started this back up, what was your response?
My response was go for it. This is pretty extraordinary. And what they've shown as far as the commitment, sometimes people step forward, do something and decide, oh, this is hard work, we're not going to stick with. But she stuck with, and she drew others in to stick with, to make sure that our community has what it needs and that our community is involved in giving back to each other.
This community's gone through some tough times, not just COVID.
We have. This past September 10th on Thursday, we were hit with severe flash flooding. We're reaching out to the county and the state for support. We have wonderful elected officials beyond our town that are stepping forward to help, but people are in incredible need. And so that then became, let's help those in community and those hit hardest by this disaster.
All right, let's go surprise Marverly right now.
Let's do that.
And let her know that she's got a nice little surprise here for all the work that she's been doing right here in the community. And some of the people here, their homes were affected by those floods.
Yes, in fact, Cheverly United Methodist Church made kits, cleanup kits, and that's part of what we're handing out right now.
I think she sees us. Is Marverly here?
Marverly!
Come on over. You're on live TV. Did you know we were coming?
No, I didn't know.
I'm Kid O'Shea from ABC 7 News. You're actually live on TV right now.
Oh, thank you. Thanks for coming.
Mayor Layla has just been telling us about the incredible work that you've been doing in this community. Why did you start doing all this?
Well, I've been volunteering and doing community service since I was a teenager. When I got to this community, I pretty much got involved. This is a great community to get involved in. They're so welcoming. There's so many organizations you can be a part of and start. And today, I'm so grateful for the CERT team that put everything together. We've been very active since the pandemic happened. So this has been awesome. Like, everyone, thank y'all.
On behalf of ABC 7's Helping Hands and Eastern Automotive Group, we'd like to give you a $2,000 check to continue helping out with your relief efforts.
Thank you so much. This is great. Thank you.
Thank you for everything that you're doing. And Joel from Eastern's Automotive couldn't be here, but he has a very special message for you. Take a listen.
Hi, Ms. Nettles. We were blown away by the outpouring of support that your community has shown for what you have done for them. And we wanted to continue to support you and your CERT effort to support your community with a $2,000 donation to keep giving food and any other support that your community needs. It's amazing what you've been able to achieve, and your community needs more people just like you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
And thank you for doing what you're doing. And look at all the people here in the community that have come out as well. ABC 7's Helping Hands. We'll send it back to you guys.
Oh, that is so awesome, Kid. Thank you. And you can see how loved she is by everybody there. If you know someone or a group who needs an ABC 7 helping hand, tell us about them by going to WJLA.com/helping hands. Michelle, it just warms your heart, doesn't it?
Oh.
It certainly does, and she had it all together, composure and all, given the circumstances of the big surprise. Love to see that. All right, let's get another check of the